Director General of International Renewable Energy Agency, Mr. Francesco Lacamera, Honorable Ministers, distinguished guests, greetings from Jakarta, Indonesia. Indonesia has set a target of 23% renewable energy in the energy mix by 2025 to fulfill its energy demand. This policy, combined with Indonesia's commitment to reduce emissions up to 29% in 2030, in a clear path to a cleaner energy system. Industry and transportation sectors are the biggest users of fossil energy in Indonesia. In accordance with the transformation to clean energy framework, the use of renewable energy in both sectors plays an important role, as it will generate a significant impact to reduce emission as well as to achieve renewable energy target. Therefore, Indonesia continues to implement its strategic efforts towards clean energy development in both sectors, namely substituting fossil fuel with biofuel for vehicles and industries. Indonesia has successfully implemented biodiesel 20% or B20 since 2016 and has started to implement B30 to all related sectors, including transportation and industry, in the beginning of this year. Currently, the government is also working on the development of higher blending biodiesel. B40 trial is now under preparation, as well as hydrotreated vegetable oil or green fuels. Next strategy is promoting the use of biomass to reduce emissions in large-scale industry, for example, in cement, steel, as well as pulp and paper industries. Also, the government is now preparing the use of biomass co-firing with coal to reduce emissions in power plants throughout the country. Improvement of regulation is an essential part to our strategic efforts. The Indonesian government has launched Renewable Energy-Based Industry Development Program and Renewable Energy-Based Economic Development Program. These programs are designed to accelerate the use of renewable energy in industrial areas and special economic zones, as well as to support the development of local economy in remote off-grid areas. In addition to that, we are also enhancing the maximum utilization of abundant renewable resources, such as through the implementation of PV rooftop program to boost the utilization of solar energy potential, and also the implementation of Flores Geothermal Island program, which aim not only to maximize the use of geothermal potential in the island, but also to fulfill its electricity baseload. The Indonesian government is currently developing and preparing the transition to electric vehicle, which will significantly increase the renewable energy usage in the transportation sector. Last but not least, together with IRENA, Indonesia has prepared a remap Indonesia 2030 to support our strategy in unlocking the renewable energy potentials in the country. Honorable Ministers, distinguished guests, Indonesia applauds IRENA's initiative to organize the third IRENA Innovation Week this year. Such initiative indeed timely in addressing the energy transition process in the current challenging situation. The COVID-19 pandemic shall be our momentum to promote renewable energy and energy efficiency. Collective work is urgently needed, and Indonesia is committed to support the world's economic recovery, ease the pandemic impacts, and subsequently speed up the global clean energy transition. Thank you.